everybody, today I've come up with another recipe for kids. Yes, it's banana muffins. These are really healthy, soft and moist. Let's get started. You need 3 bananas, smash it using a fork. It doesn't matter if it has lumps. Two eggs, three-fourth cup of sugar. You can even replace this with brown sugar. Add ripe bananas, 1 cup. Vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. Half cup of oil. Now the dry ingredients: 1.5 cup of maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of soda, a pinch of salt. Sieve the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix well without any lumps. Kids really got excited and they joined me while making this video. Now let's bake our muffins. Preheat at 180 degrees and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. It smells so good and it's really healthy. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye until I meet you in my next video.